Hello guys, today we are making egg sandwich. For that we should need salt, red chili powder, bread, cheese, onion, tomato, egg and butter. We should add onion in this bowl, tomato, salt, red chili powder, egg. Stir it. Stir it. Now cut the bread like this. Keep pan on the stove and apply the butter on the pan. Now put outline bread on the pan. Put mixed egg with vegetables. Put cheese on the bread. Put inside bread on the top. Wait for 5 minutes. Now our egg sandwich is ready. If you like this egg sandwich and the video, please like, subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.